guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a healthier spin on a really good southern classic dish. You guys may know it as a seafood alfredo, but today instead of the alfredo sauce, we will actually be making it with cream of chicken. Yes, I said it, cream of chicken. As many of you may know, alfredo sauce really has a lot of carbs in it. And not to say that carbs aren't good, but those in the alfredo sauce, not so much. Okay, so stay tuned. Again, this is just a healthier spin on this particular dish. As you'll see, I'll be substituting my usually will be regular pastas for veggie pastas, and instead of doing regular sausage, I'm actually doing turkey sausage, and then I'm just throwing in a couple more vegetables just to get a little bit more of a healthier intake, along with lentils that you see right now that are boiling to add more protein. So again, stay tuned. Hope you love it. Like, comment definitely if you have any questions, and subscribe for the next video. I'm actually just deciding to change the noodles. So here are two brands that I actually use, in case you're wondering. But I'm switching it. I'm extra. I didn't feel like doing noodles with that type of noodles, so I'm just switching it. And those are the lentils when they're all done. And for vegan people, this is an option along as well. If you're watching, if you would not like to put the turkey sausage, you can do vegan sausage. Unfortunately, I don't know if they have vegan shrimp, but if not, like I said, you can just add the lentils, and that'll be your way of some protein. So, just want to explain that for you guys. And like I said, I take every meal to where I try to think about how I can make it the healthiest it can be without, overwhelming myself. But everything I put in on this meal does something for your body. So that's what we have to kind of think about, you guys. When you're cooking, not only do you want it to be delicious, but you want it to be nutritious for your body. So continue watching. as I'm really actually almost finishing this up, I'm just adding the cream of chicken. And I did want to make mention for any vegans that are watching this, you could possibly try cream of mushroom. They may be a good alternative. Also, if you're someone who does want to make an Alfredo sauce from scratch, that's actually even better than the ones that you get over from the store. So that could still be an option if you still want to try it the old way, maybe just want to learn how to cook it. And if not, hey, let me know. I do know how to make a sauce from scratch. So if that's something you guys would like to see, I can record that and place that in my channel as well, just as more options. But yeah, so I'm just going to let this simmer, marinate all together with the flavors, and then add it to my pasta. So keep watching. All right, you guys, and I am done. Look at all that good, healthy, delicious food. I promise you, minus the creaminess of the Alfredo sauce, you guys, this is a bomb. When I tell you, it's so good. It's still flavorful, very filling, and like I said again, it's healthy, so you can indulge, not too much, but you know, satisfyingly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try it out. Comment, let me know how you did it, how it tastes for you, and until the next video,